Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to unbox this mobile phone OnePlus Nord CE 35G Lite. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel, okay? So let's start the video. So friends, first of all, here you can see the all specifications about this mobile phone. Friends, I buy this mobile phone under, you can see here the price under the 19,999. Okay friends, so friends, you can get this color. I buy this one chromatic gray, but you can get this two color, okay? One another color is the pastel lime and this one is the chromatic gray, and here you can see the price also, okay friends? And this one here you can see about the GB 128 GB 8 GB and 128 GB storage, okay? And you can see another variant also. It is 256 storage, I think so. Okay friends, so friends, here I'm going to unbox this one. Inside the box you can see what it's, okay? So here let's check out this small box here and let's check inside. Oh, I'm sorry, let's check inside it, okay friends? Here on the side, not on this side, okay? So here it's our mobile phone. You can see friends, this is the cover they has given, but let's check here what's this one is the membership card, and here it's given the pin, okay? This one is the SIM tool pin, and here is the manual guides, okay? This is the membership card here, and this is the quick guide. Here you can see the quick guide, and here is the safety guide, okay friends? And friends, this is your mobile phone cover. It's transparent and very nice. It's so smoothie and plain, okay? And now let's check inside the box. Here it's our mobile phone, and let's put outside, then let's check inside the box, okay? And here inside the box you can see friends, this is the adapter is little bit big, and it's 80-watt super work adapter. Here it's, okay, see it's in white color, and here is your cable wire in red color, okay friends? This one is the pin is in big, okay? You will get big in pin here, okay? Type C. And friends, here you can see your mobile phone, and let's check inside the mobile phone, okay friends? Here is mobile phone, how the design is, you can see friends, the design is so plain, okay? See, it's very plain and it's transparent also little bit. See, plain and good design. And this camera is design is button. And friends, here camera you will get 108 megapixel, the main camera, okay friends? And friends, here your display size